Good morning, YouTube. We're back. It's Tuesday. We actually have to head up to Ontario to get some parts for some forks I'm working on. So I figured, you know what? Glen Helen's open today. Loaded up the bike and we're going to head out there now and come do a day in the life of Brian Medeiros. So here we go. All right, so we've made it to Glen Helen. Get unloaded, get on the track, and get some laps in. So we're all done here at Glen Helen. Did a warm-up session and 2 motos. Focused more on technique today and trying to carry some more roll speed. So it was a fun day. We're all done now. Gonna stop, get some lunch, pick up some parts from Technical Touch, drop off some suspension, and then we'll be at the house and yeah, go about the rest of the day and get some work done. All right, so I just stopped at this Rebel gas station right by Glen Helen. Undercover, they have some of the best burrito bowls I've ever ate. Yeah, just wanted to stop, get some lunch. Normally, I always forget to eat and go about my day wide open, focus on the next thing, forget to eat, and by the end of the day, my body's just depleted. Try to eat dinner and don't have much of an appetite, so trying to be better at eating more throughout the day, especially on ride days and work days. So yeah, just a little bit of insight for you guys. Make sure you eat. Helps the body recover and gives you energy throughout the day. Who would have thought? All right, so we're almost back to the house. I had to stop at Starbucks, get me a little midday pick-me-up. But yep, got the Technical Touch parts, dropped some suspension off, head back to the house now, get everything unloaded, start cleaning up, and get to work. All right, so we're home now. Time to get the bike unloaded, washed up. It'll be all good. All right, so I got my bike all washed up. Got this Project KX 450 I'm working on. About to tear down a set of forks. Got these forks already done yesterday. Got to build those wheels, but yeah. Lots of work to do. Tomorrow will be a full day of work, but yeah, gonna finish prepping my bike, probably go live on TikTok, and then check back in with you guys after that. All right, so we got some forks in the sink draining. These things were definitely ready for a service. We got the bike all back together. Going to finish it up tomorrow, go over the bolts and whatnot, and it'll be ready to go. Put the insert back in the pipe because this thing's starting to get loud again. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. That's a day in the life of me. Typically, today was a little bit different because I got to go ride today. And normally, not every day is like that, but enjoy days like today, and yeah, keep the vlogs going. I appreciate all you guys' support, and we'll catch you in the next one.